technologies, automotive uh, electronics, development and testing, and those things we can discuss what is what. So what we are going to teach in the Scalarinfotech Global, I'll explain and I'll introduce about Scalarinfotech also. Okay. Then we will see what we are going to teach, and you can ask your doubts as well. Okay. Yeah, guys. Guys, are you getting my screen? All. Hello. Hello. Guys, my screen కనిపిస్తుంది. Are you getting my screen?
Yes, but there's a lot of noise from your side.
Okay, wait 1 second. Hey. Okay, we'll see. Now, can you check?
Better.
Okay. Guys, we are going to discuss about automotive electronics first, and even what we are going to teach. Even we'll discuss that. And okay, so first I'll explain about Scalarinfotech Global. So see guys, if you go to this website, scalarinfotech.com, this is our website for the institute. Even we have a company that is Scalarinfotech Global, privately limited company as well. So we have collaborations with different companies, okay, in different ways, even universities also, like means we have a tie up with the KLU, and we have a VIT also, okay, with university. So of course, we have experience in the institute level. It is around 13 years of experience we have in the institute wise. Okay, in the courses like you know corporate trainings, normal trainings, and those things. Okay, so we have different areas expertise we have in ADAS area and infotainment system, even body control module, EV mobility, and some areas we have experiences, and we are teaching that. We are giving a trainings on that. I cannot say it's a training. I can say it is a skill enhancement. Okay, that is there. So So we are focusing autonomous vehicles driving, ADAS projects, and infotainments and telematics and body control modules. Some I have not given here. I'll show somewhere. Some other slides are there. I'll show that. Even in the development, we are discussing or we are teaching and we are providing the resources to the companies. It has been started. The engagement was there already with the companies. Okay. So in the development and testing, both areas we have in all the levels from end to end, like requirements to system engineering till here we can do all the trainings. Okay. So in the embedded, like applications designing, like software applications in the AutoSAR. So we are focusing on AutoSAR for in the development area. We are focusing much in the AutoSAR, like base software and software components. Okay, these two mainly, because mainly those are. Even we are focusing on bootloader also. That's a very rarest of rare skill. Okay, we are focusing that also. Even hill sill mill also we are focusing. Okay, in the testing and normal system testing we are focusing, and unit testing also we are teaching. Means in all the areas we are complete V cycle we are teaching, guys. Okay, not only teaching, means we are training, we are giving trainings and enhancing the skills. Okay, and yeah, in automotive, everything like mobilities and those things we will focus on it. AutoSAR area, yes, we are focusing on this SWs like application software, RTE configurations, base software, NCAL. We are focusing on all. Okay, so we have a relationship. Okay, with the different companies based on this business models, staffing solutions we have. So staffing we are doing for Tech Mahindra. I'll show that. So if you see this, we got inquiry, wait, please, from the Tech Mahindra. That is, they want people to recruit. At least they want 40 to 50 members of people they wanted. Okay. Wait 1 second, please. Yeah. See, if you see, this is from you know, Tech Mahindra Group. So they want hill testers, AutoSAR development people, and VNB. So this is from the Tech Mahindra. Okay. So they requested us. So we sent also. We sent the people like Zip, have shared. So member of people, at least 40 members of profiles to them. It's one time. The same way we have a tie-up with the Detroit Engineering Products. It's a US-based company, DEP. Okay. So yeah, we have always we will get. So for the food, actually they are supporting. Okay. So we are, of course, we are sending the profiles. This is our track record, and we are collaborated with Akshaya. Akshaya, ACSI, right? Akshaya, yes, is one of the company. It is working for BMW. Okay. Okay. So we are deploying the people. They are working somewhere like in the Akshaya. So it is working for BMW. Okay. So end customer is BMW. They are supporting, means Akshaya is supporting to that. Okay, we got engagement with that. So we are delivering the projects also. That's happening. It's company wise. It's a Scalarinfotech Global. Comes to the trainings and those things. Scalarinfotech will take care of this trainings and corporate trainings and those things, guys. If you want, you can go to the website. That's one. So comes to the business models like staffing solutions we will do, and offshore, on-site. Even we are focusing on Germany. We are going to start in Germany also. That's our next future plan nearby. Okay, and we have joint ventures with the DEP. Even if you see, Felicius is one of the small companies. See, we will have a collaboration with the small to big companies. Even in future, Felicius. So we have a collaborations with different companies. Okay. Anyhow, you'll get it later. You will understand that. So we have a collaborations with the small companies to the big companies, guys. That's what our track record. We are going on slowly. Like earlier, we were only in the trainings. Just we have trained, and so many people they entered into the companies. The track record of this Scalarinfotech is like we sent around 7,000 members of people into the automotive industry. Okay. We got so much. We got so much, appreciations, and because of that, the Tech Mahindra and some companies they came to us to train or to send the people actually. Because of that only. So at least we sent 7,000 members. Each and every company. If you take any company, if you take, my students are there. Means Scalarinfotech students are there. Every company go to the XP or somewhere. Okay, you entered in Telegram, right? Almost all the people knows about Scalarinfotech. Almost all, most of the people knows it, because the roots of this testing in the outside market has been started from the Scalarinfotech. Testing and development has been started. Automotive embedded testing and development has been started by Scalarinfotech. It's like nobody has started this. Only Scalarinfotech started. It was in 2012. Okay, we have started. Okay, so comes to the course, what we are going to teach. Okay, I'll show that. Somewhere. Give me a moment, please. Even we teach AutoSAR, and yeah, these are AutoSAR data we have. See, you guys are learning somewhere. Maybe they might not know AutoSAR because we did not teach them. Because Scalarinfotech did not teach to the people, so they don't know that. If we taught to them, they might know that. So we have not taught to them, so they might not know that. So they might not teaching you guys. So AutoSAR we have in the development area. It is also easy to understand. Let us see. Okay. Wait, please. A moment. So, okay. I'm searching for this course, automotive technology. Okay. So I'm going to show you like what is the content we are going to teach. Yep. Yeah, guys. Scalarinfotech will teach. Okay. Um, automotive electronics. This is in vehicle networking. So please be attentive. It's a good one. Okay. So we are going to teach automotive electronics. It's a good one. And yeah, we learned from VIT University. Okay. And we are working, means we worked on that. So we have introduced. So our course is automotive electronics. So we are implementing, the objective of this course is automobile manufacturers like OEMs, Benz, General Motors, Ford, and those companies, they are implementing new features in automotive industry, guys. What is the new features? We'll see that. Like, tire pressure monitoring, headlights, smart airbags, collision warning, driverless vehicles, rear view cameras, radars, lane departure warning system, backup assistance, so many things they're implementing in the automotive industry, connected cars, SOTA, like software updates, so many things they are introducing in the cars, guys. So our course is on that. It's not mechanical, guys. It's, if anybody is from the mechanical, it comes under mechatronics. If anybody is from the EEE, it is automotive electronics. Not only EEE, guys, all other people, computer science, BSc electronics, BSc computers, EC from the BTech, or some other people from E&I, instrumentation, so which is related to the computer. So those can able to take this course. So they are eligible to take this course, guys. It's a very, very good course. Okay. You can understand what you are doing. Okay, it's not imagination. It's like you will understand what you are going to do and what you are doing also. So this course will help a participant to become familiar with motor and automotive electronic trends, to create interest in this field. Okay, to work. Okay, so the content what we are going to teach is automotive technology, like different automotive devices we can teach, and engine management chassis, and we can teach powertrain systems. I'll teach hybrid technology and processors in automotive system, means the processors, microcontrollers, how we are going to use it, and sensors and actuators, body electronics, safety and security we are going to teach. And automotive development life cycle, means it's complete development we have, even testing, in vehicle networking, so how the network is inside the car, communication networks in automotive system, and finally testing projects, testing and development projects we are going to teach. Okay, right. So ECU development, so comes to the in-vehicle networking. So we have ECU development and testing, both we have. So I said, no, like from end to end, like from the requirements to the complete till testing. So complete V cycle we are going to handle it. And features monitoring, different features we can monitor. Node to node communication we can explain. ECU diagnostics and CAN protocol we are going to explain. Even nowadays we are explaining like Ethernet protocol also, because it's a trend. Okay, guys, in other institute, if you go to any institute, nobody can teach Ethernet. Go and search complete, go and check with them. If you ask AutoSAR, they'll put like a white or blank face. They don't know AutoSAR as well. Okay, so that's our institute. Okay, next comes to the distributed multimedia systems. This is an example, guys. See, look, example. This is an example. Like we have a network, we have different microcontrollers. We call those are ECUs. Okay, so we are going to test these ECUs separately. Okay, or develop separately. So that's what we are going to do in our course. So we will discuss about different types of sensors, how it will work, what is the principle, and those things we can discuss on the sensors as well. Next comes to the automotive subsystem. See, guys, if you enter into the companies, they will give you a task. They will give you a task, but they don't ask you to create a car. Okay, they will give you a small task, like maybe you may sit or you may work in engine control module, or you may sit and work in the transmission control module, or you may work in suspension control. Because I'll tell, 1 year I have worked in suspension control, 1 year I have worked in fuel control, maybe engine control module. I worked in body control module for 2 years, and I worked for HVAC 1 year. Okay, and I worked for infotainment system 2 years, telematics 1 year, instrument cluster. So likewise, you can they will give you a project, or they will assign you tasks in these areas, in the subsystems. They don't ask you to work completely. They'll give you some tasks and you need to work. Based on that, we will teach, or we can train you in different technologies, in different ECUs like body control module, and we can teach infotainment system, telematics, cluster, and ADAS, anti-lock braking system. Advanced driver control systems. So we are focusing on that, guys. Mainly, we are focusing on these 5 projects. We can teach on that. Even diagnostics is 10. So totally, we can teach 20 projects. Okay, 20. So you can come and you can listen. You can come and search. You can feel it, what is happening. Okay. Yeah, so the competency means what? The skill set, what you want for this automotive industry. So you want at least the simulated tools like MATLAB or Kano software and those things. Okay, simulated tools, embedded design, say embedded design and development. These are the skill sets, guys, to enter into the automotive industry, to enter into the automotive embedded systems. Okay, you want these skill sets. Okay, right. We will teach sensors, of course, different types of sensors like mild quality sensors, parking sensors, crash zone airbag sensors, different types of sensors we can explain. So these are different types of sensors, and the sensors, cables, how it will work. Okay, how it will work, what is the characteristics and power supply, everything we can explain in our course. So next, softwares we are going to teach. Kano, of course, Kano is required to enter into this testing. Very much important. Of course, scale microvision for development, and DSpace, hill testing purpose, and then MATLAB. Of course, we are teaching MATLAB now. C programming and CAPL. MATLAB for testing and as well as the development of the AutoSAR. Okay, comes to the domains. So what domains? Projects. So what we are going to teach is cluster and infotainment system, BCM, ADAS, and telematics, even diagnostics also. So comes to the trainings. So we will teach development as well as the testing. If it comes to the development, it is an AutoSAR, and if it comes to the testing, is by using a Kano and DSpace Hill and those things in the testing. You will get plenty of jobs in the development and testing areas. Finally, we will teach the projects. Okay, so this is automotive technology which we are going to teach or train the people. So if you come, means you may have a doubt about the jobs. Okay, see, guys, everywhere in automotive industry, wherever the software industry is there, the automotive industry is also there. For example, if you take Accenture, yes, we have Accenture and Tech Mahindra, TCS. See, for example, TCS is working for General Motors, and even Benz also. Okay, it is working for JLR, Jaguar Land Rover as well. So wherever the software, normal software companies are there, service based companies, you have opportunities. And comes to the next level, tier 1 companies, for example, Bosch, Delphi. So those kind of companies, product based companies. Then OEMs, you have opportunities like Benz or General Motors and those things. Volvo, those companies, you have opportunities. Guys, listen, from the Scalarinfotech, 7,000 members, they got working in different areas, in a different companies, in different areas means different domains, like infotainment system, airbag, or some people are working in Veoneer, some people are working in Bosch, so many companies, guys. You know, I think you may not, maybe you may surprise, or you may not know that in a Bosch itself, around 3 to 500 of people are there in the Bosch itself, guys, from our Scalarinfotech. KPIT, it's like it's countless. Even Benz also, the direct, they are working. Some people are there working through some other consultancies like HCL. They are working with the Iron Systems. Different companies they are working. Even KPIT. So different, through different companies they are working. Even TCS. Some people are TCS people also there. Yeah, even Tata Lexi. So many people are there. So many people now. Some people they entered into the Germany. I'll show one guy. He's working in Germany. Uh, okay, he's my student. So not only this guy, even like, see, this is a guy, he's working in Germany, Manju. Okay, he's working for Continental. So he was a student 5 6 years before. Okay, so likewise we have so much that track record, very good track record, compared to all the institutes. We have different collaborations with these companies. Okay, so this is our track record, and this is our company profile, and what we are going to teach. So any doubts, guys? Hello.
Hello.
Sorry. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, you are audible. Tell me, please. Yep.
Yeah. I completed this course and I'm like that institute, but we don't have and all this, and we don't have hands-on experience in that. They how the project is going to be done in companies, and I am keeping the resume in my phone. Now I'm
No, no, no.
actively.
Where you? No, no, no. Actually, do you know the course or what? I don't know. What is that?
Yes, yes, I know some basics itself. I'm taken from course and website also.
Like where? Where?
Webtech.
Okay. Uh huh.
But I'm an experience in projects. But now they are asking some companies like you don't have hands-on experience like that because you're keeping fake like that. Very funny.
Guys, listen. I'm recent days. I'm hearing about this web tech or something. I don't know. Some people also they came to our institute from that, and they are asking proxies and something. Okay, that's what happening. Okay,